Hey guys, it's Harry here. I thought I'd make a small video on just showing off the latest thing that I've been working on. It's the configurator. I kind of teased it in the Discord earlier, so basically here it is. Actually, if I show you how it works. So we have our Project Cars 2 base folder. And then it uses a new folder called modifications, and then if we go in there, it will have the application, which is the pCARS configurator. I've got it as a shortcut onto the desktop just so that I can do it quickly. So when you run it, it will scan the folders in this folder. So right now there's only one, which is the Zonda. And if you select that car, it will bring up all the modifications you can do to the car. So here you've got the spoiler. All these images are placeholders. Obviously they're going to be changed. So here you can change the spoiler. So if you want to do the Cinque or the 760 RS or the Milson, I don't have all the parts in it right now ready. There's I think close to 50 extra parts that I have to do. But yeah, these ones are all done. The ones that are in the configurator now, I just still got to add all the rest. So you can have the Zonda F spoiler if you want. And then the front fender is this section with the lights. So this front fender will include the lights. Of course, for modders who are creating stuff for this, you can obviously choose what parts are replacing what in your VHF and so on. It's not really that complicated, as it's just replacing MEB files, which is the 3D ones. So we got the front fender. So what do we want to do to show it off? We'll go with the 760 RS with spoiler. We'll go with the front fender of the RS. The rear fender is the new lights, so yeah, we'll do that to show them off. The bonnet from the Milson, yeah, we'll do that. Front canards we'll do from 760 RS, so this one has 2, whereas the Cinque only has 1. The boot, you can have the shark fin from the Milson. Obviously, the 760 RS has its own shark fin, but I haven't done that yet. Yeah, we'll add the thing from the Milson, even though it'll look a bit weird. Actually, no, we won't, because it'll look a bit weird right now. Front bumper is these sections. We'll add that, and then the rear bumper is just changing the badge. So we'll do that, and let's apply the configuration. It'll come up with this, and then if we run Project Cars, it will show up in game of the selections that we've chosen. So hopefully I'll be able to put these side by side so you can see which is which. So yeah, we went for the RS spoiler, the RS fender, the rear fender from the Milson with the new lights. So here it is in the game. So yeah, there you go. So we've got the spoiler from the RS, the front fender, which is this section from the RS. The Milson has painted headlights, so when you change that, that'll change that. Rear fender, so we have the new lights, here. The glass texture isn't final yet, so yeah, it looks a bit funny right now, but yeah, that'll be changed. The bonnet from the Milson, as you can see. The front canards, so we've got the 2 front canards from the RS. Boot from the Cinque, so we don't have the shark fin right now. front bumper, it's added these two parts that I showed you earlier, and then the rear bumper has the milestone badge there. So that's basically it. That's kind of the concept of what it does. I'm maybe going to be working with Shamis. I have no idea how to pronounce his name. I know him as Maris, who brought us the MEB exporter. Might be working with him on a completely revised version that in here there'll be a 3D preview and it'll be made with Unity. You can like see the parts changing on the 3D model. That'll take a while obviously, but that is the dream. If that never comes about, then we'll just stay with this. And then you got presets. I haven't added presets for the Zonda yet, but what this does is you can choose between like the main models and it'll automatically pick which parts will be for that one. So for example, if you wanted to build like a purely milestone, like if you wanted the real life milestone car, instead of going through here and choosing milestone every time, and the milestone actually uses the canards from the RS, and there's no option for canards on the milestone because I don't want to add another extra option for the same 3D. People that don't know that the milestone uses the 760 RS canards won't obviously know that. So the presets will choose whichever ones that you want. So this will be set up as a preset, so you can just click milestone and click apply preset and it'll automatically apply the parts that you want to that. So if I just go milestone, and now if you go in game, the car will be completely milestone, but obviously that took longer and you have to know which parts are on which for it to obviously say, obviously put the milestone that you want. Wait for this to come up. Come on, there we go. Now in game you have the milestone car. We'll show you what it's like on the road. So yeah, hopefully one day we can get a an actual 3D environment that you can customize the car in before you go in the game. I think that'd be awesome, and it would definitely get some practice on 3D environments and rendering and shaders and so on. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. If you have any other questions, then let me know. So yeah, obviously like the lights are not final and so on, but yeah, that's it. So I'll see you again soon, guys. So thanks.